Hello, so it's June finally, and it's already a wonderful month right now. This month, I want you to prioritize your preparation. It is so important. Last month, I had a couple of clients, and there was a particular one that stood out for me, and that's my client that chose that instead of just stepping into a relationship anyhow, um, she chose to heal. She chose to be transformed. She chose to invest into herself. She chose to go through the journey of wholeness, and it was a phenomenal experience. When she shared her review, when she shared, the different dimensions of how that journey has been for her, I was just simply humbled and also speechless by that entire experience. In this month of June, I want you to prioritize your preparation. Don't leave it to chance. 6 ways you can start your preparatory journey as you begin to prepare for the next phase and the next season of your life. Spiritually, you want to be prepared. You want to be prepared mentally. You want to be prepared emotionally. You want to be prepared financially. You want to be prepared physically. And you want to be prepared relationally. Don't leave any part of your preparatory journey to chance, because God has so much more in store for you. You need to be ready for where He wants to take you to. So be ready in every aspect of your life as you get there. Oftentimes I ask people, if the dream man, the dream woman comes into your life today, are you ready? Are you set to begin life with them? Or it's going to take a while for you to, try to get into that journey of reinventing yourself, your rebirth, your rising up again. This is the time to begin to invest into that instead of sulking over not having a partner just yet. Why not invest in your own journey? Start your preparation today. Remember, at Polished and Fit, we have different resources that can guide you. And this month, I want you to take advantage of them and be prepared for that journey of life for yourself. We have Rate, one of our resources that helps you to evaluate your relationship and your partner. It helps you to know exactly where you are, whether you should continue with that relationship or whether you should abort mission immediately. We have the Domestic Staff Management Guide to help you if you're just starting your domestic staff journey. This is like your basic startup kit to help you on that path. We have a food catalog if you're confused about what to cook, what meals to prepare. You want something different in this month of June, then you want to get our food catalog. Also, we have our ebooks, the marital pitfalls you should avoid, and also marriage building blocks. You want to get those ones so that you can strengthen yourself as you continue to grow and embark on your journey. Hey, you want to take it a notch higher, then you want to get the Good Start Masterclass. Now, that masterclass is a 3-part masterclass. It's amazing. Now, what this helps you to do is to take you from the place of just being clueless to getting you to a place of being informed to kick off your preparatory journey as far as your marriage journey is concerned. And this is going to really equip you and help you accordingly. It comes in 3 parts. The stage 1 is where we talk about getting you to find yourself before you even find a partner. And then also you go over to how to maximize your courtship, because I have noticed that many people, just start out their courtship journey. There's no structure to it. There is really nothing to hold on. There's no way to appraise the level of progress you have done with your relationship. So this helps you to accomplish that. And also how to plan for a new day, a new season, a new phase, a new year. That's what the stage 3 contains. So it's a 3-part model for you. It's the Good Start Masterclass. All right. And then finally, our signature preparatory program. Now, this is recommended highly. We have had people take this course from 22 countries from around the world, 6 continents have taken our course. It is the game changer you need. If you want to transform everything about your relationship and your marriage journey, that's the go-to resource. You want to get that today and transform every part of your life. So get on that journey today. And hey, if you want a one-on-one navigation session, you're not even sure where to start, you need to talk to someone about something really bothering you, especially in your preparatory stage, stage of your journey, you want to now book a one-on-one session with me, and then we can really look into it. I'm trained for what I do. I'm called for it. I'm anointed for it, but I'm also trained, okay, professionally, and I'm certified for what I do. All right. I look forward to working with you in this month of June as you prepare more than repair, because a beautiful, a blissful marriage life is possible, and I'm here to partner with you to make that happen. My name is Feyintoluwa Ademola Adetubero, and I am the privileged founder of Polished and Fit, where we help the aspiring brides to be and newlywed to navigate singlehood, courtship, relationship, marriage, and the early years of your marriage on the right foundation. I look forward to working with you and hearing from you. Please click the link in the bio on this video, and then you can access all our resources just as has been mentioned. And hey, if you're not sure, just send in a DM and you will be guided accordingly. Looking forward to seeing you win. I'm always rooting for you. It's FT, the Awakener. Have a blessed week, and God bless you.